Welcome to Car Showcase. Here we introducing a 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Explain its all features. The 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee is a cutting-edge SUV that boasts impressive features, exceptional performance, and unparalleled capability. Its robust structure is built with high-strength steel and aluminum, ensuring durability and lightweight maneuverability. The Grand Cherokee has a fuel capacity of 23.5 gallons, allowing for extended road trips without frequent refueling. Its premium LED headlamps and taillamps provide exceptional light quality, illuminating the road ahead and enhancing visibility. Available 20-inch aluminum wheels with all-season tires ensure a smooth ride and superior handling. The Grand Cherokee's dimensions are: length 189.8 inches, width 77.1 inches, and height 69.3 inches, providing ample space for passengers and cargo. Powered by a 3.6L V6 engine, the Grand Cherokee produces 293 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, allowing for swift acceleration and effortless towing. Its top speed reaches up to 120 miles per hour, making it perfect for highway cruising. The Grand Cherokee's price starts at around $38,000, offering exceptional value for its features and capabilities. Its available colors include billet silver, granite crystal, and velvet red, allowing you to choose the perfect hue to match your style. Additional features include an advanced Uconnect 5 nav system with a 12-inch touchscreen display, available luxury interior with premium leather-trimmed seats, and cutting-edge safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. Its impressive towing capacity of up to 7,200 pounds and available four-wheel drive system make it perfect for off-road adventures and heavy-duty hauling. The 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee is a powerhouse of a vehicle, offering unparalleled performance, capability, and luxury. Whether you're tackling off-road trails or cruising on the highway, this SUV is the perfect companion. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.